Welcome back to Mud Mods and Beers. Today you join us on our way to ARB Capalaba, where we are getting a suspension lift put in the cruiser. So I've gone the Old Man Emu Nitros, 2-inch lift all round with 600 kilo constant springs in the back, which I'm hoping will take away the saggy bum, because it does droop at the back a bit with the canopy on it and the rooftop tent and the fridge and whatever else is in the back of the car. So I'm hoping that that'll level it out, and then obviously a 2-inch lift on top. So I did some measurements this morning, which I'll show you now. From the hub up to the top that's 57 centimeters from the center of hub to the top of the bottom of the rail. So if we measure from the center of the hub to that guard, it's just shy of 540 mil. So, you know, not only is it going to give us more clearance, the leaf hangers will still be an issue, but it'll definitely give us more clearance. But I'm hoping, because it is a bit, the standard suspension's all right. I mean, it is sagged at the back, but they are a bit, like, it's a bit wobbly, spongy, I suppose you'd call it. When you go around corners, it's not a firm ride. You don't want it too firm. It is a ute, but you want it, I want it a bit more planted than it is now. It is quite rolly on the corners, and if you're going over any ruts or whatever, it'll tend to roll about a bit, because we are quite top heavy, I suppose. So I'm hoping that'll tighten everything up too. Right, so next stop ARB, and we'll get it put on, and I'll show you what it looks like once we get it back. Measurements now after the lift, using the same measurements. So that's 600 and just shy of 650 on the back, and so that's 58 and a half on the front, 585. So a substantial lift front and back. I think we got well over 70 on the back and 60 odd on the front, so all up. Yeah, but driving it feels a whole lot more planted. It's more firm on the road. It's not as wobbly as it was a bit vague. Now it's fully planted, so super happy with the lift. So I'm going to do a little bit of I'll show you all around underneath now, and I'll show you what it looks like, but I'm very keen to get it out in the tracks and see how it performs there. So in the meantime, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.